Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to yet another video. In case you're new here, this is Muhiri and please welcome to this channel. I love visitors. Make sure you subscribe in case you haven't, and also do put the notification bell. We normally post on Fridays, Sundays, and also on Tuesdays at exactly 3 p.m. So yeah, so I'm starting the video guys by going to the best lady near my area. I just want to look for a hair to fix my head. It's so messy. Yeah, and then after here I'm heading straight to the market to buy some green groceries. Yes guys, so stick around until the end of this video. Make sure you like, share me out if you can, and also do leave a comment for me. So there we go, we are already at the market. We just want to buy some green groceries and then we head home guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly, if you do, give it a thumbs up and also do share me out if you can, and leave a comment for me guys down below. Hey guys, so nimetoka market and I just want to show you what I bought. Today I had gone for green groceries and hey you guys, let me tell you, vitu zimekuwa expensive sana, but I actually tried to buy a few things according to my pocket. Yeah. So for the first time I bought broccoli. The last time I bought it, it was around 20 2021. Yeah, 2020, early 2021. That's when I bought it, and they have really gone high. This was going for 150, just one of it. And I also got some rice. This is a pishori, 3 kgs. One was going for 175. Yes, I love buying cereals from our market, sales supermarket. I feel like they're a bit expensive when you buy them in the supermarket. I also got rosemary for my tea, some green, yellow, capsicum. I didn't manage to buy the red one; it's too expensive, so I have to go it down here. I have Mama Mboga who sells it for me at a cheaper price here. And I also got this ginger for 20 bob, 30 bob, yeah, 30 bob. Two beetroots for juice. Uh-huh. Three lemon, each 10 bob. Garlic, each 30 bob. I got this from the best lady I showed you earlier. I bought this for my hair. I just want to go and do my hair tomorrow. Yes, I didn't want to buy something too heavy for my hair. I also bought these two of them, a butternut for my baby. They are so cheap at our market. It's actually 50 bob, guys. You can see it's 50 bob, and yeah, 50 bob each. So that is I also got this waru gorogoro moja. That is 180 bob. Yeah. So all of these are waru plus 3 carrots at 10 bob. Yeah. So that is it for this bag. You're gonna put it here. In here, I also bought these are omenas, guys. I love omena. So I bought this omena. They're so dry. 300. Yeah, this one's for going for 300. Yeah, my baby is screaming, guys. Please forgive that. So I also bought some onions and tomatoes, guys. Let me just show you all of them. I bought onions and tomatoes For onions, tomatoes were going for 3 at 20 bob. Yeah, 3 at 20 bob. So I bought 200. I bought tomatoes for 200 bob, and also the onions I bought for 100 bob. Yeah. So that is it, guys, for this shopping haul. I don't like buying a lot of tomatoes since I don't have a fridge. Even the green, I didn't even buy veggies, guys. You might wonder why. I normally buy them down here to my mama boga since I don't have a fridge, guys. But I hope to get a new fridge. I'm saving for a good fridge, guys. A good fridge. Yeah, so that's why I'm delaying to buy it. Yes, and so that is it for this bag. uh In here, I bought some mangoes. We have some mangoes each at 20 bob. I bought some mangoes each at 20 bob. I bought some, how do we call this? Guashe. I bought guashe. This one we're going for 50 bob. This one, they were 4 at 50 bob. And I also got some arrowroots for our breakfast tomorrow. So tomorrow I might be shooting another video cooking my arrowroots. I bought arrowroots for 4 of them at 50 bob. So I bought 100 arrowroots for 100, and also the guashe for 150. I also bought bananas for my boy. Anapenda sana ndizi. So I bought some bananas for him. These were going for 100, all of them like that. Yeah, for 100 bob. Yes, guys. So I don't think I did a lot of shopping actually. Let me just put this one here so you can see what I bought. So this is everything, guys, and I bought them at around 3,000. Yeah, around 3,000, if not maybe 4,000. Yeah, this is enough for us to take us for half a month. Yeah, I didn't say a whole month, I just said a half a month. Our mena is here. They just look okay, guys. Ni camera tu nimekataa kuzionyesha vizuri, but they just okay. Yeah. So after this, guys, I'm going to be making our supper, so stay tuned and let's keep doing life. Yes, guys.
I feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more as these bright lights they burn.
So this was much later in the day and I wanted to cook dinner, and on this specific day I was to cook rice. So since I don't like white rice, I had to make turmeric one. It's either I do pilau or I do turmeric rice. I honestly don't like a white rice. Yeah, and I know you guys have so many ways of cooking turmeric rice. Kindly let me know in the comment section how you do yours, and maybe I might be interested to copy your way. Yeah, so let's keep enjoying the video, guys.
In the days that I can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes.
So while the rice is cooking, I want to prepare this broccoli thing, and I was told to be cutting it first from the main stem, and then I have to separate it to cut it into small pieces so that I can be able to wash it well. And now, guys, just tell me it's end month without saying it is end month. So that is my current situation right now. My nails are so bad. Most of them, they have fallen. Not even that one hand. both of them, the nails are not there. They just be like one or two that are there. So that means I need a nail appointment soon, which is okay. I'll be doing a self care day soon. Yeah. So once we are done with these things, we have to wash them thoroughly to make sure there is nothing left behind. And meanwhile, let me know in the comment section what do you do with the big stem, guys? Do you throw it away, or you just uh just let me know in the comment section what do you exactly do with that big stem. So on this other side, our rice was cooking well, but I realized maybe the water I put was not enough, and I don't like adding adding water while the rice is cooking. So what I normally do is to cover it up with this foil. Yeah, when I cover it up, it steams so well, and it's normally then that normally amazes me. So when the water is over, I'll just have to cover it with this foil and reduce the heat to be too low for it to dry up well. Yeah. So let's wash the broccoli and then we boil them. So our broccolis are already done, guys. They say when you see them turn into this dark green color, just switch off the gas and then you remove them from this hot water to make sure you maintain that green color. So here I'm just preparing some other things that I want to mix with that broccoli so that we can call it a stew for our rice, guys. Here I have this waru with carrots. I have our broccoli that we boiled earlier, and I also have our tomatoes. We have some ginger and also garlic. We have red onion, green and also a yellow capsicum. I didn't manage to get the red one because the mama mboga was not there. So let's just make our dinner, guys, and then we can call it a night. Yeah, so keep enjoying the video. If you already love it, kindly give it a thumbs up. And to my new subscribers, welcome you guys and feel at home. In this channel, we really do a lot of things, and we are very consistent. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are such an amazing people. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my premium gang, thank you so much, guys, for always showing your support. I really appreciate that, and I can't take it for granted. So I started by cooking the waru and the carrots first, guys. They are a bit hard to cook, so I had to cook them first before I can add our broccoli. You remember we had already boiled it, so we don't overcook the broccoli. We just had to cook the waru and also the carrots, and then we add them a much later. And this is what I'm doing right now. And let me tell you guys, this was the best vegetable I ever had before. This was actually my second time to cook broccoli, and it didn't even disappoint. And this time round I didn't even put so much effort cooking them, unlike the first time. And let me tell you, it was so amazing.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track. I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong.
So our dinner is ready, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't leave without giving it a thumbs up, and also subscribe in case you haven't. Put the notification bell on. I had told you we normally post on Fridays, Sundays, and also on Tuesdays at 3 p.m. East African time. Yeah. So this was our meal, guys. Can you see that? I think I'm an upcoming a chef of the year. Yeah, so this was our meal, and you guys, we really did enjoy. We did enjoy, guys, and without forgetting our salad. Yeah, guys, so that was it for this meal. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, and let me see